You gonna throw the ball a little bit? Show them how you throw the ball. Whoa. Throw it again. You want to throw it to me? Or you want to... Oh, thank you. There you go. Come get it. Okay, I know. You've been playing for so long, you're starting to get tired of playing. There you go. Throw the ball. I'll throw it to you. Catch. Yeah, nice catch. You definitely have a favorite toy that you prefer. Nice throw. Here you go, catch. There you go. Throw it to me. Throw it again. Throw it again. Nice throw. One more time. Come on, throw the ball. Blue. Get that ball. Nice throw. Your mom and me aren't into sports, but you're going to be a baseball player for sure. What are you trying to say? Really? I can't believe that. That's crazy. No? Yeah? You watching the doggies now? Okay, here you go. Here's the ball. One more throw. Okay, that's good enough. Say goodbye. Archer, say goodbye. Say goodbye. Bye-bye.